Hi there, my name's Cassie and welcome to Good as New, the show that teaches you how to save money and the planet in small, everyday ways. And today I'm going to be showing you how to transform household objects into cheap but adorable Thanksgiving place cards. So I am going to show you how to transform an ordinary pine cone into an adorable Thanksgiving turkey place card holder. To make his little beak and waddle, I'm just cutting out some pieces of felt. And we're gonna glue it right there. So you can put as many or as few colorful feathers in as you want, but just be sure to leave room because we are gonna stick the place card in between the other scales. You can also use pressed leaves to make place cards. I'll show you how. So I'm actually going to write the name directly onto the leaf. And if you want to, you can actually go ahead and decorate your clothespin as well, but I'm gonna keep mine pretty plain for that nice rustic look. So you might not think it, but you can actually use twigs to also make cute place cards. So the key here is to find twigs of equal length, and you don't want too much space between them because that is going to be the area that's actually holding the place card. So you can also use wheat stalks to make really cute rustic place cards, but you might not have access to wheat stalks, in which case you can actually just buy this online or from a craft store. You can also use old wine corks to make cute little turkey place cards. And that's it. That is how you make 5 DIY place cards for your Thanksgiving feast, because decorating for Thanksgiving doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be bad for the planet. So have a very happy Thanksgiving and remember to be grateful.